What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Brother Chris, and we back with another video. So today I have y'all, it's McDonald's breakfast mukbang. Now, before we get in the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below so you can see when I post every day. Before I start this video, it's been like 5-6 days. I apologize. I know I've been gone almost to a week, but it's not to a month. You know what I'm saying? It's not 4 weeks later. It's not, you know what I'm saying, another 4 weeks later. It's not 8 weeks later. You know what I mean? 2 months. So at least I, you know what I'm saying, post it for y'all still, kind of. But it's been a week, almost a week. You know, get it? But anyways, it's breakfast now. I did lunch before. Now I'm doing breakfast. Let's get into this video though. They gave me some butter. These butters, you know. They gave me 3 butters and a hash brown. So yeah, I'm gonna make my thumbnail too because I always keep forgetting my thumbnails. I don't know why. Okay. Look good, don't it, y'all? Look at that. Okay. Hold on now. All right. Good thumbnail right there. Let's start. Gave me these too, but I drunk it while in the car. We're gonna start off with this, the butter. Hope everybody having a nice day. Make sure you for real like, comment, and subscribe to your boy, because your boy will be consistent. Actually, I need a knife with this. This is pancakes. Oh, they get this little thing is that, but this junk dripping the junk. I don't know why it's dripping. I know it's butter, y'all, but still, they know better. But anyways, there you go. Get every butter off this boy. Okay, that's 1 butter gone. Give me a sausage right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A1. A1, y'all. Okay, move this out the way. I don't think I can even move that out the way, to be honest. Switch it. Okay. Some around this way. Yup. Okay, hold on, y'all. I'm gonna talk to y'all just a second. Just gotta, you know what I'm saying, do this. And I'll be back talking. 2 down, 1 more to go. Get another sausage bite. Okay. I decided to make a video early this time. So I usually never do early mukbangs like this, but since I haven't did breakfast McDonald's mukbang, why not do it right now? I think I can move this. There we go. Yes, there you go. Just move it like that. About to cover up the sausage. Why is it so hard for me to respond? I'm so glued to this, that's why. Okay. That's a good salty butter right there. I said salty. Good sweet butter, whatever. 3 gone. Show y'all that. Oh, look at that junk. I know y'all see that butter. Let's get into this video now. Will be editing my video. Not as bad, but I will be. I always say that to let y'all know. Look at that boy. I know y'all see that. Look at that. Look at that. Dripping, baby. See that? Oh. Dripping. Oh, Lord, Lord, Lord. I like that dripping, dripping. That drip, drip. Wow. That looks good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Got it on my hand. Let's start. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. He gave me 3 big old pancakes. That's good though. So I'm gonna bang this whole meal right here and post it for y'all. Move to the other direction now. But yeah. Let me just stick to here. In the back. I don't think I'm about to eat that biscuit. I don't know. I might as well because I'm hearing this video, so might as well do it. Why not? Really don't eat biscuits unless it's like strawberry or like chocolate or something. I don't know. Something like that. Finna really charge on this, y'all. Hungry. I really hope everybody having a good morning for real. I turn my eggs up, y'all. Y'all see that? That's a quick second. Oh yeah. The egg's gone. Let's do the hash brown. Watch what I'm about to do, y'all. So I'm gonna put the hash brown like this, right? Dip it in this. Huh. In the syrup. Oh yeah. Try new things. Cause I really don't like hash browns like that, y'all. I really don't, but I like McDonald's hash browns a lot. This hash brown be like 10 out of 10. Oh, my sausage. Oh my God. I forgot about this. I forgot it was buried. Oh yeah. Just like a good meal. If you don't want nothing expensive, you just want to grab something real quick. McDonald's is the way to go. If you're trying to grab something quick. And you work and stuff like that, and it's like morning time, get this. It'll fill you up. I don't know if I have the receipts. They usually show it, the receipt. Hold on. Nope. That's not the receipt. Nope, no receipts. Sorry, y'all. I would have showed y'all the receipt. You don't got the receipt from. They don't even got it from me, man. I wanted to show y'all. I'm mad. Because I always show my receipts when I'm doing the video. Well, when I'm doing the video, yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna eat that biscuit, y'all. I don't really eat the biscuits, y'all. It's supposed to be like frozen lemonade, but they jump was melted, so, and I was like the first one to get the machine working, you know. So that's why I was like that, but it's good. It is good. Got that on my hands. They didn't give me no napkins, y'all. I could grab them right there, but I was like, no. I don't feel like it. I'm already making the video. Why? Just go. If I just dug it out without no napkins. Until I'm done ending the video. Then wash my hands. Which is gonna be done now. Excuse me. Come on. There you go. They should have given me more syrup because they only gave me one. Like, they should have given me more than one. If you see 3 big old pancakes, why would you give me one? And they dry up fast. So, of course, I'm gonna need another one to moisten it back up. Why I only have one? It made no sense. It's crazy. I'm not eating that. Put this back in the bag. Even though I said I was. Or thinking about it. I just made up my mind and said, nah. I basically made the whole video for y'all. Not the biscuit. Give me the jam and a biscuit too. That was some good stuff, man. I'll be, y'all see my eye like that, and I'm trying to brush this because it's in the way. But I'm gonna try down this little last drip. Drip, drip. Drip, drip. I wanted to say, that I love making videos for y'all. I'm not afraid to be on camera no more, eating for y'all, because that's what I like to do, and y'all like me doing that. But yeah, there you go. I made a morning breakfast mukbang for y'all. McDonald's breakfast mukbang. That's the title of this video. So yeah, but there y'all have it. Ooh, excuse me. I might do it. Hold on. I knew the burp was coming in, but I might do like a outro or intro. Probably like an outro. Yeah, I'm gonna probably do an outro very soon. I said it before, like in 2022, but I never did it, or 2023, the beginning. But I'm really for real doing that. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below for me. And I'll see y'all back. Love y'all.